becoming popular worldwide to enter the Korean market successfully. They need a strong local partner. Today, they are making Hantech one of the most trusted technology companies in Seoul.
안녕하세요. Welcome to Hantech headquarters. We are honored to take all the way to Seoul.
안녕하세요, Ms. Angela. Thank you for inviting us. This is our first time doing business in Korea.
유럽분도 만나서 반갑습니다. Please feel comfortable here. 감사합니다. Everyone has been very welcoming since we arrived here.
Yes, the hospitality here is amazing.
So before discussing business, we believe it is important to get to know our partners.
I agree. Strong partnerships begin with trust.
한국 시장의 경쟁이 치열합니다. The Korean market is extremely competitive.
Consumers here are very careful about technology products.
That's actually why we wanted to make Hantech to understand the local market better than anyone. That's maybe true, but we must ensure that any partnership benefits both companies.
Of course, we are hoping for a long-term collaboration.
It may introduce our newest product, Smart Home Assistant.
Allows homeowners to control their light, air conditioner, and security home cameras by using their phones.
It also learns user habits and automatically adjusts in settings.
정말 흥미롭네요. Korean consumers love smart technology.
But they also compare many products before purchasing. We believe this product stand out because of its simplicity.
It certainly looks impressive.
가격은 어떻게 됩니까? The current price is $20 per unit.
That might be difficult.
Difficult.
In Korea, similar devices sell for slightly less.
But our product has higher quality components.
We understand that, but customers may not see the difference immediately. 혹시 가격을 조금 조정할 수 있을까요?
Possibly, but what price could be more suitable?
If the price were around $16, it would be more competitive.
That's a quite big reduction.
We could lower the price. The order will increase.
How many units would you need?
At least 5,000 units for the first shipping.
Oh, that is a significant investment. 우리 팀과 잠시 논하겠습니다.
The product is interesting and could attract younger customers.
Financially, the risk is manageable if sales reach our targets.
Then what do you recommend?
We should negotiate better terms, not just the price.
Maybe exclusive distribution rights.
좋습니다. Let's propose that. Thank you for waiting.
Of course.
We are interested in the partnership, but we would like exclusive distribution rights in Korea. Exclusive rights?
Yes, if we are going to invest in marketing, we need that security.
That is reasonable, but we need a strong sales commitment.
Perhaps 10,000 units in the first year.
That's ambitious, but achievable.
If those terms are acceptable, we are ready to move forward.
정말 감사합니다. We're so excited about this partnership.
This could be the beginning of something great.
앞으로 잘 부탁드립니다.
We will prepare the contract and begin planning the launch. We look forward to seeing our product in Korean homes.
오늘 비에 와주셔서 감사합니다.
저희도 감사합니다. It was a productive meeting.
Let's celebrate our future success together.
With mutual respect and careful negotiation, the two companies formed a partnership that could shape the future of smart home technology in Korea.
꿈을 꿨어 작은 방 안에서 100만 개의 별들처럼 빛나길 원해 이제는 시작해 나의 길을 향해 한번 더 달려가겠어 절대 멈춰주지 않아 이건 나의 dream 나의 destiny 세상을 흔들게
Yung may camera niya. Consumer,
리듬을 몸을 막
we have consumers that smart now.
넌 나와 함께라면
In Korea,
같은 날 비춰 내 꿈은 막지 못해 난 무대를 치워 앞으로 나아가 계속 달려 놓치지 않을래 이건 나의 dream